Getting a COVID test with Access Healthcare is fast and easy. Once you click the link to schedule, select the appropriate patient type. Then click Schedule Appointment. Pick an appointment time. It will ask you to complete a patient information page. In the insurance field, provide name of your insurance, member ID, and group ID, or write that you are uninsured. In the Additional Notes field at the bottom of this page, add the make, model, and color of your vehicle. Check all the boxes and confirm your appointment. Ring the doorbell once you have scheduled your appointment. A nurse will come out to grab your driver's license and your insurance information. The nurse will text you a link to complete registration and bring a form with the passcode. Read and answer each section as accurately as possible. Make sure to click the box to receive text alerts. This option will allow us to send you a message as soon as your results are available. Create your patient portal with a valid email address. This system is where you are going to find your results, so make sure to write down the password you will be using. Sign the consent of privacy practices and continue. It is very important that you update your health history forms at each appointment. Enter all known allergies in the allergy section. Provide your COVID-19 vaccination status in the immunization section. Complete the COVID-19 questionnaire in the social history section. The final step is completed. Please ring the doorbell once again to notify the nurse that you are ready to be swabbed. COVID-19 test results are published to the patient portal the following day between 4 and 8 p.m. Click on the link to access your patient portal. Log in with email and password used on the previous day. Go to Messages and click on the Inbox tab. Open the test results message, scroll down and click on View Test Results. There you will have access to your results as well as a guide answering frequently asked questions for negative, positive, and inconclusive tests.